Hi viewers, this is Balachandrudu, Arithmetic and Reasoning faculty. First of all, welcome to ABC Arithmetic Balachandrudu channel. Please subscribe this channel. Why? Because for live classes, I am going to teach for the next session from the live classes. We need a 1000 subscribers. నాకు ఒక 1000 మంది సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ ఉంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్దర్గా నేను లైవ్ క్లాసెస్ చెప్పడానికి ఆస్కారం ఉంటుంది. చాలా మంది లైవ్ క్లాస్కి రండి సార్, లైవ్ క్లాస్కి రండి సార్ అని అడిగారు. దానికి కారణం మీకు 1000 సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ వస్తే నేను నెక్స్ట్ మీకు లైవ్ క్లాసెస్లో టీచ్ చేయడానికి ఉంటుంది. దానికోసం మీరు నాకు చేయాల్సిన హెల్ప్, వీ నీడ్ టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్ అండ్ టేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఏ లైక్. Okay, is in case your friends are also there, this is the subject, what I am teaching, the subject is useful for all the competitive exam, whether it is a reasoning or whether it is a aptitude. Okay, now the reasoning is the main important role from the basic classes, from the 5th classes also it is very important. Okay, from the next videos I am teaching from why it is used for the 5th class, why it is used for the 8th class, why it is used for the 10th class. For suppose for the 5th class, that is a Korkonda Sainik School. For the 8th class there is a competition exam of NMMS. Okay, for the 10th class that is NTSC. Okay, I am teaching the 3 videos for the next session. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, right. Now today in that session we are discussing about one reasoning topic of 15 questions. What the exam is given for you. Okay, what are the topic is, that is comparisons. In the comparisons we are discussing a total 15 questions. Okay, right. Now from the first one, LMNO. These are the 4 or brothers. L is darker than O. L is darker than O. That means is more darker. Okay, comma N is fair of all. Okay, how many of persons are there? 4 persons. In that 4 persons, N is the fairest. Fairest means ST means it is a superlative degree. That is the most. Okay, who is that person? That person is N. N is the fairest. అంటే అందరికంటే తక్కువ, ఫెయిర్ కలర్, మంచిగున్న కలర్. ఓకే, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, M ఈజ్ ఫియరర్ దాన్ O. M ఈజ్ ఫియరర్ దాన్ O అంటే కలర్ తక్కువ ఉన్నారు. మనం ఇక్కడ డార్క్ గురించి మెన్షన్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి M అనేది నేను తక్కువ కలర్గా తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే, రైట్. Who is the darkest of all? Darkest means we have to find here. Okay, this person we needed. Okay, we need totally 4 persons are there, 1 person is fixed. Okay, remaining that is L, M, O. Depending upon this position the answer is there. Okay, in between of this M is less than that of O. Next O and L is there. In between of O and L is the greater. Okay, right. Okay, that means we needed greater symbols. Okay, that means after M, N, after O, L. L is darker than O. O is darker than M. Now this is the fairest. Here it is darkest. Here it is fairest. Okay, who is that person is the darkest in this group? That is person L. Okay, right. Right. Next, second question. Shailendra is shorter than Keshav. That is Shailendra is shorter than Keshav, but taller than Keshav. Whenever the word but is there, that is a conjunction. For the conjunction we are take it as a first person. Who is that first person? Now we are replacing but with another word. Okay, I am reading a total sentence once again. That is Shailendra is shorter than Keshav and Shailendra is taller than Rakesh. That is Shailendra is taller than Rakesh. Okay, right. Next, Madhavi the tallest. Tallest means is the most. Okay, we don't know about any persons but Madhavi. Who is that person? Madhavi is tallest. Okay, all our persons are right side of Madhavi, but here it is there is no person. Okay, right. Ashish is the little shorter than Keshav. Who is that person? Ashish is little shorter than Keshav. Ashish is shorter, but that is little shorter. Little means only somewhat. Okay, these are all compulsory adjacent. Okay, right. Next, then Keshav shorter than Keshav and little taller than Shailendra. Who is that? And that is Ashish. Ashish little taller than, who is that person? Shailendra. Okay, these all compulsory. Little means adjacent people. Okay, right? Next, if the standing the order of increasing heights, who is the second? Now they are all in the order of increasing order. Okay, first we are trying to this one increasing order. Okay, now Madhavi is set. Okay, now this is Keshav is compulsory between of Ashish is compulsory between of Keshav and this one Shailendra. Okay, I am taking Ashish here. Ashish is greater than with that person Shailendra, but Ashish is less than, that means greater than that of Keshav. Now is there any Keshav here? Yes, here it is Keshav. Okay, after this one I am going to rub this one after the completion of this. Now okay, these two are over. Why? Because we wrote this one. Okay, now Keshav is there. Here it is Shailendra. This is less than. What about Shailendra? That is Rakesh. Rakesh is like this. Now what is the question he is asking? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, here it is already Shailendra is there. Please wait. Now here it is already Shailendra is there. Now Shailendra is greater than that of Rakesh. Now Rakesh is Rakesh. Now here it is Shailendra, already Keshav is totally this person is there, this 1 2 3 4. Okay, after that Rakesh is there, Shailendra is there, Ashish is there, Keshav is there. But Madhav is greater than that of all these persons. Okay, Shailendra already here it is. Now we are taking these 4 persons. In between of these 4, who is the highest? Keshav. Okay, that means Madhav is the highest. Now I am taking Keshav here, Ashish, and then Sai, and then Rakesh. Now what is the question here? They are standing the order of increasing order of their heights. Increasing order means first person is Rakesh. Now increased. Okay, now here it is increased. Now the 5th person is the Madhav. Okay, now he is asking that who is the second? Who is the second here? That is the person Keshav. Our required answer is, sorry, order from second is, that is Shailendra. We needed a second. Why? Because we are order is Rakesh, Keshav, Madhav. Increasing of order. Now the second person is Shailendra. Our required answer is Shailendra. Okay, right? Next, third question. A is taller than B. A is taller than B. C is taller than A. C is taller than A. D is taller than E. D is taller than E. But D shorter than B. D shorter than B. Okay, now who is the tallest? By after arranging of this, okay, first we are moving from any of them. Okay, I will start from the starting A, B. Now here it is A, I am writing C here. Here it is B, B and D here. Okay, D is there and I am writing E here. What is the symbol between C and A? Same. What is the symbol between D and B? Less than. But here it is B and D, that is greater than. Okay, now D and E same as it is. That's why I am moving this one. Now the total are in increasing order. Okay, now is asking third question, who is the tallest? Who is the tallest person? That is our requirement answer is C. Okay, right? Next, fourth question. Pankaj is taller than Vinod. Who is that person? Pankaj is taller than, who is that person? Vinod. Okay, who is a relative pronoun. Whenever relative pronouns are there, we have to compulsory take it as a left side of a who, without replacing of who with a left side of a person. Okay, I will read a question again. Pankaj is taller than Vinod. Pankaj is taller than Vinod, comma, again Vinod shorter than Pramod. Vinod is shorter than Pramod. Okay, right? Next, Usha is taller than Priyanka. Is there any Priyanka here? No. Usha is taller than Priyanka. Okay, right? But shorter than Vinod. Who is that person? Usha is shorter than Vinod. Usha is shorter than Vinod. Full stop. Next. Pramod is shorter than Pankaj. Pramod is shorter than Pankaj. Okay, I will write here. Pramod is shorter than Pankaj. Okay, who is the tallest? Now he is asking for who is the tallest. Okay, look at there. Here it is Pankaj, here it is Pankaj. But look at that. Here we cannot determine the relation of Pankaj and Pramod actually, but they give exactly. Pramod is less than that of Pankaj. Okay, I will write in numbers here. I am taking Vinod has 1. What about Pankaj? I am taking 2. Why? Because Pankaj is greater than that of Vinod. Okay, what is the relation here? Pramod is less than that of Pankaj. Okay, I will take a, here it is 1, now 2. Pramod is less than Pankaj. Pramod is 2. What about Pankaj here now? I am taking 3. Why? Because 3 is also greater than that of 1. Okay, next. Now, Usha is greater than that of Priyanka. We don't know about Usha first. Okay, Usha is less than that of Vinod. Okay, Usha is less than that of Vinod. Already we are taking Vinod has a 1. What about Usha? Less than. Now Usha is 0. What about Priyanka? 0. 0 is greater than that of which number? We are taking negative numbers. That is -1 or -2 or -3. That is go on. Okay. Now in these persons we are asking what is the question? Who is the tallest? Now who is the tallest? Which person having a great number? Who is that person? Minus this one. This is zeros. Now we know this is 1. Now Pramod is 2. Who is that person? That is Pankaj is our required answer. Now the Pankaj is having a tallest. Okay, right? Next, 5th question. Karthik is senior of Ganesh. Karthik is senior of Ganesh. Okay, right? Next. Ganesh is senior of Appu. Senior of Appu. Appu is junior of Raju. Appu is junior of Raju. Okay. Raju is senior of Ganesh. Raju is senior of Ganesh. Okay, right? Who is the most senior? Now, who is the most senior? Now, I am taking R and G here. Okay. With respect of these, I am taking R is greater than that of G. Now, this total equation is substituted here. Okay. Now, K greater A and then less than R. Okay. Already G is there. That's why I am taking only this one. I am taking 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. 1 is less than that of 2, 3, 4, any else. Okay. Now he is asking that in between of K and R. In between of K and R there is no relation. K is senior of Ganesh. Ganesh is senior of Appu. Appu is junior of Raju. And Raju is senior of Ganesh. Okay. Who is the most senior? Who is the most senior? That is K. Okay, right? Next, 6th question. A scores more runs than B. A scores more runs than B. Okay. But less than C. Less than C. D scores more than B. D scores more than B. But less than A. Less than A. Who is the lowest scorer? Who is the lowest scorer? Now, here it is A greater B. Now B is there. I am taking D here. B. Now line is B side. Now here it is D. I am taking already DA relation is there. Okay. Now we required AC relation. Now I am taking C here respect of D. Now he is asking that A is more score than B. Sorry. Here it is not, but There is no but here. Sorry. A scores more than B, but less than C. But less than C. Okay, already correct. It is B, but less than C. Who is that person? A, less than C. D scores more than B. D scores more than B, but less than A. D less than A. Okay, who is the lowest scorer? Now he is asking for lowest scorer. Okay, here it is B. I am taking D here. D is the greater. Now in between of A and C, C is the greater. But look at that. I am taking 1, 2, 3. What about D value? What about D value? D is greater. D is greater means we are taking 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 something. Okay. Now he is asking that who is the, in the sixth question, who is the lowest scorer? Who is the lowest scorer compulsory? That is B only. Okay, right? Seventh question. There are 5 friends I, J, K, L, M. Okay, K's income is more than L. K income is more than L, but less than M. K is less than M. J's income is the least. Okay, within of 5, J income is the least. Okay, I's income is less than K. I income is less than that of K. Now whose income is maximum? He is asking for a maximum. Now we needed 4 places, that is this place is our required answer. Now without J there is a 3 relation. K is greater than that of L, K is less than that of M. That means M is the greater. Now between of I and K, I is less. That means after this one, that is K. Okay, we required M here, K here, L, I, or else M compulsory, that is L or I. Here it is I or L, we don't know, but we needed this ones. What is that one? M is our required answer. Okay, right? Next, 8th question. A, P or X, S, Z. A, P or S, X, Z. These are all the sitting in a row. S and Z are at a center. Okay. We required 6 persons. Who is that persons at the center? S and Z. S and Z is also okay. Z and S is also okay. Right in the center. A and P are at the ends. That is A or P. Or P or A or P, P or A. Okay, right? Next, or is sitting to the left of A. Or is sitting to the left of A. Here it is left of A is no possible. That's why A is here. Or is sitting at the left of A. Now the remaining person, A is over, P is over, R is over, S is over. Now this one is X. With the help of this, there is no any changes. This one also one of the possibility. Now the question is, then who is on the right of P? It is right of P is, who is that person? We required X. Depending upon this, there is no any change. Okay, right? Next, 9th question. A is older than B. A is older than B, but younger than C. A is younger than C. D is younger than E. D is younger than E, but older than A. If C is younger than D, who is the oldest of all? Is oldest. Okay, right? How many persons are there? Up to he, that means 5 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We required this person. Okay, between of A and B, A and C, and D and E, I am writing D here. It is I am taking A. Okay, here it is A. A means A is greater than B, between of these. Okay, now A is less than of C. A is less than of C and C is less than of D. Okay, right, between of these we are writing. Okay, now I am taking A has 1. What about D? 2. Okay, 1 0 1 less than means, okay, A is greater than that of 0. A is, I am taking C value as 2. What about D value and E value? Okay, please wait a minute. Here I am explaining with this one. E, D, A, B is there. Between of C and D is now required. Now D and A, C and D. Between of A and C, that is, this is the main. Okay, I am taking 1 2 3 4. I am taking. Okay, for suppose A is 2 here. I am taking 2 here. A is 2 here. Now what about C value? I am taking 3. Whenever we are taking 3, here also D, that is both are same, but C needed, that is less than that of D. That means that's why we are taking C has 2.5, that is this one. Now we have to frame a order. E has 4, D has 3, C has 2.5, A has 2 and B has 1. Now this is our framing. Now we required which one? That is in the 9th one. Who is the oldest of all? Who is the oldest? Okay, who is the oldest of all? That means higher age, that is person. He is the oldest of all. Okay, right? Next, that is 10th question. In a row of 15 children, that is 1 5, when Raju was shifted 3 places toward the right, 1 2 3, first place, second place, third place, shifted right, he becomes 8th from the right, that is 8th from the right, that is 9th, that is 10th, earlier it is 11th from the right. Okay, he become 8th from the right. What was his earlier position from the left? He is asking from left. Now the total members is 15. Okay, minus 11. He is asking for a position. That's why we are taking plus 1. 15 minus 11, 4. 4 plus 1, that is 5. Our required answer is 5 is our required answer. Okay, right? Right. Next, 11th question. Okay, right? Now from the 11th question, it is totally comparison, not with the words, total with the letters. Okay, right? Now first one, they give a statement of this: A greater than B, B greater than or equal to C, C is less than D. Now the conclusion is A greater than C, A equal to C. Now they are asking for a relation between A and C. First, here it is A, here it is C. There is no any symbol change, that is total greater. That's why compulsory we are determining answer. But okay, right, I am taking up 1 here. What about B value? Whether it is a 1, that is equal, or it is a greater, that is. Okay, right? Now what about A value? Whenever it is a 1, it is 2. Whenever it is a 2, it is 3. Okay, now the relation between C and A, that is compulsory 2 and 3 are greater than that of 1. Compulsory it is correct. Whenever it is correct, second one is 100% wrong. That is only 1 is true. 1 is true. That is first option. Okay, right? Now second question. Sorry, that is 12th question. Statement: P is equal to E. Is there E less than or equal to B? B is equal to Z. Sorry, that is the 13th question. 13th question, this one. I am explaining 12th question now. P is equal to E. Sorry, next. And then P is there here. That's why I am taking P here. After that, P is there. That's why greater than or of Q. Q is there. Q is the greater than V. Now they are asking for Q is less than or equal to E and E is greater than V. Now here it is Q, here it is E. In between of Q and E we require two symbols. Here it is there two symbols, but these two symbols are going towards P, that is E, but here it is going towards Q. No use. What about next one? He is asking for E and V. Here it is E, here it is V. The symbol is changed here. That's why both are wrong. Both are wrong means neither one nor two is true. That is fourth option. Okay, right? Next, 13th question. P is less than E. Okay, right? Less than or equal to B. Okay, right? Is equal to J and greater than or equal to D. Now the second one, they give a with respect of A and E. That's why I am taking E. Now A is greater than that of E. A is greater than that, greater than that of, who is that person? A is greater than that of E. A is greater than that of E. And then DJS is also there. DJS. That's why I am taking J. DJS. Here it is W is greater than that of J. I am taking J here. Okay, no problem. I am writing W greater than that of J, that is less than that of S. Okay. Regarding about options, we are checking for this type of questions. First one, W greater than A, D less than S. Okay, right. W and A we needed. Where is the W? Here it is. Where is the A? Here it is. A is relation with E. Okay. W is relation with J and S. Now here it is J, E is there. Okay. I am writing this one. Now the question is WA. W we are writing here. Now J is also here. That's why I am closing S here. Now J is there. J is equal to B. B is greater than or equal to E. E is less than or equal to A. Now in between of W and A, symbols are changed. That is compulsory wrong. Now our required answer, next one is D and S. Here it is D. With the respect of S, which person is there? Yes, WJ is there. Okay. J greater than that D. Now next one is W. Now in the third one we required D is there, but we needed S. Where is the S? S and J. J, S. That is goes to J. Now they are asking D. D side he is asking. D side it is there. That's why second option is correct answer. Okay, right? Next, 14th question. B greater than W is equal to Q greater than or equal to N less than D less than or equal to E. Okay, right? Next one is D greater than C, K less than W. Now we are checking with the conclusions. E greater than C, B less than N. We require relation of E and C. Here it is E, here it is C. The common person is for this one. I am taking D less than or equal to E. Here it is D. I am taking this one. Now total this sharp edges goes to C. Sharp edges goes to C. Now for B and N. For B and N, where is the B? Here it is. N is there. Okay, there is no any change. Symbol is goes to a N, but here it is symbol is goes to a B. That's why only one follows. Only one follows means in the first option. Okay, right? Next, 15th question. L greater than or equal to B. equal to a, greater than or equal to k, less than t, equal to h. Now the next one is c equal to k, greater than d, greater than s, equal to j. Now our conclusion is c less than or equal to l, and then h greater than s. Okay, this is the first one, this is the second one. Now with the c and l needed, c is there here, l is there. What is the common term in these two term? L, b, a. And what is the common term? Here it is c, k, b. Which is the common term here? It is, there is no any common term, I think. Okay, I will cross check. L greater than or equal to b, equal to a, greater than or equal to k, k less than t, equal to h. Here it is c equal to k, greater than d, greater than s, equal to j. Is there any common term between these two? Here it is c, there is no l, there is, okay, k is there, Nana. Okay, right, k is there. In place of k, c is equal, that's why I am directly substituting c here. Now we requestion c and l here. C, it is l, c is there here, l is there. Total are all double options. Okay, that is double options. All are goes to a c, here also goes to a c, that's why it is going correct. Now what is the respect of h and s? H and s, here it is h, here it is s. Between of these two, k is the common, that's why I am writing a equation from the k. Okay, here it is k. Now k is goes to t, t is equal to h. Here it is, there is no any symbol change, but it is goes to a s side. Here also goes to a s side. This is also correct. That is 1 and 2 are correct. 1 and 2 are correct in the fifth option. Okay, right? These are all the total 15 questions of a comparison. Okay, still is there any doubt about this one? Please comment. I will explain that total questions in the next video. Okay, I am giving a one suggestion for you. Is there any doubts in our this reasoning session questions? Is there any doubts? Not only in this video, regarding about a previous video, please comment on this one. Any of you have to comment on that particular video. I will explain all the doubts from this one, from that one, or else 2, or else 3 in a total one video up to here. Okay, right? Thank you, children.